Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Theresa and I am a data scientist here in Germany. In today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between the data analyst and the data scientist. More specifically, we are going to talk about their job description, the roles or the tasks, the tools they're using, and the educational backgrounds most of the people have in these roles. So first, we're going to talk about the data analyst. So, data analyst focuses on the descriptive analysis and representation of the data. The tasks they're usually doing are building dashboards, representing KPIs in a visualization, doing some business performance metrics, as well as related to business intelligence tasks. So the role also requires that they should know about databases because they interact mostly with databases on querying the data and representing it in the visualization tools like Tableau or Click or Power BI. So data analysts pull this data from the database and present it to the users, usually the managers or the stakeholders. The tools that they're commonly using are Python, R, Tableau, or Tableau Prep for preparation of the data before feeding it to Tableau Desktop, or ClickSense, Power BI, Google Analytics, databases, SQL and NoSQL, and even sometimes Excel skills. So for the educational background of the people who have these roles, according to the US Bureau of Labor of Statistics, a data analyst job requires a bachelor's degree, and the following are the degree options that typically offer this data analysis skills, such as computer science, data science, applied mathematics or statistics, finance or economics, and science courses such as biology, chemistry, and physics. So in my opinion, as long as the degree teaches statistics, calculus, linear algebra, and mathematics, you are really equipped to become a data analyst. Now let's move on to data scientist. So the description of data scientist is really vague and it varies between different companies. So data scientist works with data, extracts information from the data or insights from the data, and communicate the results to the stakeholders or to their managers. So they focuses on getting insights from the data beyond descriptive statistics. And I think this is really where the difference of data analyst and data scientist goes, because data scientists go deeper within the analysis. So usually they use data to find trends or patterns or even predict. If you compare this to data analysts, usually data analysts represent data and do descriptive analysis, but data scientists dig more deeper on the data. So for me, or in my opinion, it's more IT heavy and mathematics heavy or statistics heavy, and the field goes towards the innovation as well. So the task of data scientist varies from company to company, but usually and mostly companies really ask the data scientist to demonstrate or develop new deep learning models such as NLP, image processing, computer vision, speech recognition in structured or unstructured data. And they would also usually create data architectures, and they should have a knowledge and variety of machine learning techniques such as clustering, random forest regression, artificial neural networks, and so on. So sometimes data scientists also build data pipelines that feed both the development and deployment of machine learning models. So the tools that data scientists use are almost the same as what data analysts do as well, such as like Python, R, databases, SQL and NoSQL, big data tools, just like the analysts, Tableau, ClickSense, Power BI, and also aside from these tools, they also have to demonstrate their knowledge in machine learning libraries or strong understanding in machine learning libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, sklearn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. So for the educational background, most of the data scientists own master's or PhD degrees from STEM backgrounds, with computer science, statistics or mathematics, and physics leading the way. So it doesn't really mean that PhD is really required for data science jobs. It's just that most of the people who have the title data scientist mostly owned PhDs or masters. So there is a thin line between data scientist and data analyst when it comes to their tasks. So sometimes data scientists do data analyst jobs, and sometimes data analysts even do data scientist jobs. So it depends on how the company's naming the job title, but then at the end, the job description is almost the same or interchangeable. But overall, in most cases, data scientist derives insights from the data in more deeper and broader sense compared to data analyst jobs. So that's the difference between the data analyst and the data scientist jobs. I hope that you at least have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!